First, download the Toshiba ACNA or Toshiba Home AC Control app from your device's app store. Create an account in the app and log in with your credentials. Power on your Toshiba Portable AC unit. Then activate AP mode by holding the Connect, Vent Angle, or Filter button for 3 to 5 seconds until AP appears on the display. On your smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network broadcast by the AC unit. This network is typically named net_AC_ followed by numbers, with a default password of 12345678. Return to the Toshiba app and follow the on-screen instructions. Connect the AC unit to your home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Once connected, name your AC unit and complete the setup process. Your Toshiba Portable AC is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready for remote control. When troubleshooting your Toshiba AC connection, the most critical factor is using the correct Wi-Fi network frequency. Your Toshiba AC requires a 2.4 GHz network during setup. 5 GHz networks are not supported and will cause connection failures. Ensure your Wi-Fi network uses WPA2 encryption. This security protocol is essential for establishing a stable connection with your AC unit. If you encounter connection issues, follow these troubleshooting steps. Restart your smartphone, restart your AC unit, and restart your router. If scanning the QR code fails, try the manual setup option in the app. Some users have found success using the MR-Cool remote app with the same login credentials. For smart home integration, you can connect your Toshiba AC with Amazon Alexa or Google Home through the Toshiba app. Simply follow the instructions within the Toshiba app to link your account with either Amazon Alexa or Google Home for voice control and automation.